You are watching the Muff Academy, the Muff Academy, the Muff Academy.
30 days, 30 topics.
Hello everyone. Nernst equation is a very most important topic from electrochemistry. There is no question paper without Nernst equation. Nernst equation is nothing but a quantitatively effect of temperature, concentration and metal valency in the form of an equation. That is, E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT divided by NF into log of reduced state by oxidized state. The easy way to remember reduced state by oxidized state is to simply write it as P by R, that is, product by reactant. Let's consider an example, that is Zn plus Cu2 plus giving Zn2 plus Cu. The simple way to write the reduced state by oxidized state is P by R, that is Zn2 plus divided by Cu2 plus. Now, there are a few default values in this equation, that is, the value of R is 8.314. When they have not mentioned any temperature, it will be considered as 298 Kelvin. And we know the Faraday's constant, that is 96,500 Coulomb. When you substitute all these values, we get the final equation as E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 divided by N into log of M divided by M N plus. These are the two equations which we need to remember. And now let's get into Muff Classroom and try solving it with an example. So now let's take an example as Mg plus Cu2 plus giving Mg2 plus Cu, and the concentration given is 0.001 molar, and on the left side we have 0.0001 molar. So now we know the Nernst equation, that is, so here they have not mentioned any formula, so we will consider it as 298 Kelvin, and when the temperature is given as 298 Kelvin, we will go with the second equation, that is E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 divided by N into log of Mg2 plus divided by Cu2 plus. Right? So now, the E naught cell value is nothing but the given E naught cell value is nothing but 2.71 volt. So substitute the values. 2.71 minus 0.0591 divided by N is the number of electrons, that is 2, right? So write it 2, then log of, write the concentration, that is P by R, product 0.001 divided by 0.0001. So we got it, and when you solve the entire equation, we get the final answer as 2.68 volt. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. If any doubts, leave your questions in the comment section below, or you can mail us on to inspiroethics@gmail.com, or you can DM us in our Instagram.